Ata Maori e wano, or whānau, or wherever you come from, however you say it. Okay, so today's word or today's place name is, now I want you to pronounce this or say this place name.
Whangarei.
How would you normally say it?
Whangarei.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Whangarei.
Excellent. So that is our place name for today. Our place name for today is Whangarei. Alright, and I will teach you how to pronounce it not like that. Okay? So there's three things wrong with that word that people always mispronounce. And the first part is the WH, because everyone always gets that wrong. Also the NG, and the last part is the R. Okay, so the mispronunciation of that place name that everyone says is Whangarei. It's actually Whangarei or Whangarei if you were to pronounce all the or enunciate all the vowels within it. Okay, it's just like when you were brought up at school. How now, brown cow. Alright, so repeat after me. The WH is like a sound of a F, as in telephone or phone. Okay, so WH, so the first part, repeat after me. Fa. Fa. Okay, next part. Nga. Nga. So the NG in that, alright, it's pronounced as in the word sing. So sing, the NG in sing. So you say the NG and the A together, it's a nga. So sing nga. So when you say the nga, it's nga. Okay, and the last part, which is always the hardest part for people out there, it's pronouncing the R. And the R, you roll it like a cat when it's purring. Alright? And it's the EI, putting that together, it sounds like a bit of an A. Where if you actually pronounce it properly, it's A-E. 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 Rei. 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 Now we've gotten lazy over time and it's sounding like Rei or Ray. Alright, so it's Rei. E-E. Alright, we'll go through that again. Pa. Nga. Rei. Pa. Nga. Rei. Pa. Nga. Rei. Whangarei. Whangarei. As opposed to Whangarei. Okay? Easy. Sure.